You deserve a lover who wants you dishevelled, with everything and all the reasons that wake you up in a haste and the demons that won't let you sleep. You deserve a lover who makes you feel safe. He can consume this world whole if he walks hand in hand with you. Someone who believes that his embraces are a perfect match for your skin. You deserve a lover who wants to dance, who goes to paradise every time he looks into your eyes and never gets tired of studying your expressions. You deserve a lover who listens when you sing, who supports you when you feel shame and respects your freedom, who flies with you and isn't afraid to fall. You deserve a lover who takes away the lies, brings you hope, coffee and poetry.
You are the yin to my yang, the kindness to my bluntless, the calmness to my worries, the heart to my headstrong. Thank you for embracing my restless, impatient desire to adventure across the world. You're my best friend, my soulmate, and my person now and always. You are my once in a lifetime, and I can't wait to spend forever with you.
As we stand here today, beginning the biggest adventure of our lives, I know that with you by my side every day will be a blessing. And every challenge will be an opportunity to grow. And every sunset will be a reminder of our love and commitment to each other.
I have the pleasure and the privilege of introducing Mr. and Mrs. Tom Stones.